Hi professionals, welcome back to Let's Talk About Engineering. In today's tutorials, we are going to look on the topic of extend to next chamfer fillet command in Solidedge. Let's start with assessing command. Before activating the extend to next command, I will draw some sketches to explain about it. Now you can see that there is a gap between these two lines. To fill that gap, we need to activate the extend to next command and just move the cursor over to the line which you need to extend and see the preview of the extended line of horizontal line. Okay, after verifying the preview, you can just click on the line which you need to extend. You can see that this line was coinciding with this angular line. Okay, also there is an option to extend the line to a specific element. For example, I will draw another line which is near to that. Okay, now reactivate the extend to next command and just press the control key and select this line and release the control key and just select this line. After that, you can see that this line was extended up to a specific element which you have selected. Okay, there is also an option to reduce the time when you have a complex sketches. To show that, I will draw some more sketches to explain about it. Okay. Now see, there is a multiple lines which I have been drawn. Okay. To extend this multiple line at the same time, I will reactivate the extend to next command and just drag the cursor over the multiple lines and release the left click button and just see that it was extended up to the next element which is nearest to it. Next, we are going to look on the fillet command. To access the fillet command, in draw group, you can find it, the fillet command. Before activating the fillet command, I will draw some sketches to explain about it. Okay, now activate the fillet command and just click the element which you need to apply the fillet command. Okay, now you can see that preview of fillet. It shows that it have an approximate value of radius. I will just click on this area and you can see that it was fillet was applied to this element. Also, you have an option to without mentioning the radius amount. For example, I will draw another some sketches to explain about it. Okay, now you can see that these two elements are not having a corner edge. Okay, you can also apply a fillet to this type of sketches also. For example, I will just select this sketch and this sketch. You can see that it was apply a fillet between these two elements. Okay, also you have an option to apply a fillet using dragging the mouse over it. Okay, for example, I will draw another sketch. Then activate the fillet command and just drag the cursor over this element, these two elements, and see the result of applying the fillet between these two elements. Okay, you can also have an option to not trim these two elements while applying fillet. Okay, well, let's look at it. Just again, I will reactivate the fillet command and just click no trim option in fillet quick panel and then drag the cursor over these two elements and see the result. It was applying the fillet without trimming these two elements. Okay, next we are going to look on the topic chamfer command. Before activating the chamfer command, I will draw some sketches to explain about it. I have created a rectangle sketch to explain about it. Then click on the chamfer command and select these two elements to apply a chamfer. Okay, now you can see that the chamfer preview was available. Just click on some random areas to apply a chamfer and then you can see that a chamfer was applied to these two elements. Okay, you can also have an unequal chamfer angle. Okay, For example, I will then reactivate the chamfer tool and create a setback value of 45 degree and setback value of 20 and 50. Okay, then select these two elements and see the preview of these two elements, preview of chamfer. Just click on it and just to close it, and then click on this vertex. You can see this has a length of 92.74 mm and angle of 0, and see this another vertex, and you can see that the angle was 45 degree and setback area was A and B was 50 mm. Okay, this is another method which you can draw a chamfer at an unequal angle. You have an option to make a chamfer with dragging the mouse. Okay, to create it, just move the cursor, just drag the cursor over this two element and create a chamfer it. Okay, you can see that when I drag the cursor over these two element, you can see it was applied a chamfer over it. Okay.